Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the press. My name is Right Comrade John Acha Obole. I am the National Secretary for the Benue Young Professionals Integrity Group, BYPage. By my side, or by my right-hand side, is the convener, the co-convener, our legal advisors and members of this noble group. So I think I will to introduce.
Good morning, men of the press. My name is Comrade Pambe Martins Sesu from Benue State.
Good morning, men of the press. My name is Honorable Odi Kenneth today.
Good morning, member of the press. My name is Kati Ehanu from Katsina Local Government of Benue State.
Good morning, member of the press and everyone. My name is Honorable Onumi Odoba Samuel from Agat Local Government, Benue State.
Good morning, member of the press. My name is Hilda Ukabu from Otuko Local Government.
Good morning, member of the press. My name is Comrade Benedict Malindi from Benue Local Government.
Good morning, member of the press. My name is Arubi Clement from Benue State.
Thank you very much. This is the Benue Young Professionals Integrity Group, BYPage. It's a group that is made up of young professionals drawn from the different ethnic tribes in Benue State. So without wasting much time, we'll go straight to the press statement we have for you, in which after that, our coordinator, our national convener, the co-conveners, and some other persons here will have one or two things to say in the different dialects in Benue State. Thank you very much. Benue Young Professionals Integrity Group, BYPage. Stop the political hate and save our future. A press statement made on this day, the 20th August 2021, by the Young Professionals Integrity Group, BYPage. The Benue Young Professionals Integrity Group, BYPage, is a conglomerate of young professionals drawn from the different tribes and ethnic groups which make up the geopolitical or the geographical space called Benue State. We are on a mission to impact our community positively as a generation of young professionals embedded with the qualities of excellence, integrity, and patriotism. We have the commitment to bring about the change we desire in our community, to create a society that is free of corruption, relegation of youth as political thugs, social injustice, inequality, oppression, ethnic divide, and underdevelopment in Benue State. As young professionals in our various fields of endeavors, with national and international outreach, it has always been our goal to make a positive change in Benue State, which we see as home like no other. We believe that people should have as many options to quality governance, equity, and fair play, laced with an ambience of integrity at all times. And this is the motivation behind our press conference today, the 20th of August 2021, which will focus on the present level of political imbalance, tribal and ethnic hate in our dear state, Benue State, which is threatening our development as a people in the nearest foreseen future and now. Benue was created 46 years ago. The great J.S. Taka, known for minority rights, approached one of the most experienced technocrats in Benue State, then Chief Edwin Ubu, who was an Idoma man, to prepare Ape Aku as the first executive governor of Benue State. Ape Aku, a great visionary, set a standard of good governance and laid the great foundations for the development of Benue State. These great men, who were detribalized, set a pace for justice, equity, and fair play. However, immediately after their demise, those that took over the reign of political power delved into political bitterness and orchestrated tribal dimension and aggregated demographic advantages as yardstick for power sharing. Subsequently, the smaller tribes of the Idoma, Igede, Etilo, and Juku, and other smaller groups gradually started losing relevance in political participation and strategic power sharing in the state. These divisive tactics by the Big Brother syndrome reared its ugly head in tertiary institutions in Benue State, with the Big Brother taking almost everything. This ugly beast reared its ugly presence even in the body of politics and student politics. The population is might. Psyche that has been planted in all institutions, agencies of government, released modern day slavery because of the Big Brother syndrome. A situation that has gone so bad that even a minor thing such as course rep evades students from Zone C and other smaller tribes, all because of the Big Brother syndrome. The confusion and cries created by the release list of the Federal Health University of Science, Otukpo, has brought up the ugliness that is in the Benue politics. The youth can no longer stand and look while our common heritage is being gradually decimated in this macabre of tribal and ultimately will destroy our future and future of the unborn generations. We say no to tribalism. We say no to uneven distribution of political power sharing. We say no to the politics of divide and rule. We want an end to the Big Brother syndrome in Benue State. Hence, we have aligned ourselves with the sound philosophies of the Benue Rebirth movement, which emphasizes on justice, equity, and fair play. That philosophy that brings all royals together, taking of appeasement and reconciliation amongst constituent tribes of the state. We align with the leadership of the moment, which seeks to unify the whole Benue State for equal participation, no matter your tribe, and preaching and without any form of discrimination, no matter who you are in the state. We believe in rational and rotational power sharing in all aspects of our corporate, social, political, and economic engagement. Be it government, tertiary institutions, civil servants, even Okada union riders. We want equity in power sharing. We are here to clamor for an end to the politics of bitterness in Benue State, the segregation, the nepotism, the clannishism. And we want to appeal to all Benue youths to please know that we must take our future, the rebirth of Benue State, in our hands. Enough is enough of the hate. We salute the leadership of BRM. We salute the leadership and the courage of the Benue Rebirth.
Itikawele, Idoma Patomeni, Igede Patomeni, Ibabene Kabo Kokieka, Nekiba Yokia, Yimi Pesenwe, Takemani. Ele Babon, the Mamma to the bar, the Madi Idoma Mbika, the Madi Mixing Bika, the Maka Bear Island Juka Omoba, Maneyi Eloni, Moeli Bom, Debe Eloni Nani, or Zezembe Mipes and Benue State Saturday, no Zabe Eloni, Neloni Mutetiva, Neloni, Mipes and in Nigeria, Timangadu.
Thank you. All right. Good morning, members of the press. My name is Honorable Odi Kenneth Ude, and I'm from Obi Local Government area of Benue State. I'm the name Danu Nole. LLI Pajamale members, the Benue Youth, Benue Young Professional Integrity Group here, and I learn I Bebele Jami State Nyaine. LLI Paono Eke Yawe. Elanye government, the governorship, or the Kali Ali Ainai, Hiluchi, where Kefalo High, I wear Bella, the Kawajaka, the Kamagaika, consider now call it. Because I will yellow cuckoo, Benefit young men wooing, I wear Bella, Kamagaika, I call it. Mimi le to tompa ba onu ka ya. Teta ka college EVM Monday Morgan ugo oloma efuni movement ole PRM and the group nyole I see full support her because of her nyamu hayo me uro kai na ka do mujeke aligidile alipoto ka bila ko enene ka the governor in state ka so I do bo lume ate to enye kai ka jai nai uchi ai ka jo bo enye ole maga ke we ho le balai ini la to tom ka yang fo nu ka yela no be for the Federal University of Health Science ole pa utuko the group ole ai fa gbangban ela no le avai ai nai ko tanya pa ho o chela enye ka because ali beni wu ya glokpo ino e chela ino e ka giange uchi aligede alange gbegble enye aligede akiri poto enye ai na upa ile so ya le gbegble alange enye ka suit the position so we go so I will appeal her.
In Yane alo come for any command press conference. The quay what an command bring a young professional integrity group. Or the command integrity na no one actual low papa actual mela for la gua kame. So alors that he be gone woman to Benue State no state down there abo no be kaman moving along Bogu State ne o che give them a dune in look of no we no so alors ga doko be batigon ayegene ga lo no bo alo kaman o alors katiga odana ne ga nyoma alors chale tiga ga no so here ga try ga palo about ka kalani the Obogun anu won Ache all the group of Ayebo EU group ne kaman Benue Rebel Movement BRM group ne galo une JT ko e de kan no ne ganyo ibigo ngade bigo mama so aloniwu integrity group ne alolu group ne makaman group law group of papa ni ma oda ni ga ya ne oda ola ni ga ya ma ibigo ja oche ni wada go level group ne ni kaman Evans Masha Monday Morgan ne anu ni pion ne wane oja bogicho kamanu ga to ga dule no oche kunu commissioner ko minister oja bogicho no o kamanu ga to ga no o kama onu ne ojo ga no le wole chichi ko che gi to mo yi ni we bunu golon governor Benue State level so aloga ju confidence vote of confidence ju kama iga try ne yi ibi elak ni ga o yalo fusho university ni go to pan na ne oche le Monday Morgan do kama ayi kama echi boha order ka ju color that chair o hi bika bona loga do ka bon go da ma go bon ga gene ga no ne loga ga obini go chin iko igbo ani ka ju color that chair he consider go watch I need to ma fofu ni ju color the drama no ichu ko ju color jan I uchi o ha ti ku state o ha ni ku Nigeria ne so that order na lo wa kaman aloka be batiku wa ikima kaman ikuna lo laga lo ne alo ya ju wa do so o jane ipa go jane ola so I genegalo agatuni ketene al merane po aje kama idoma gado ka governor so oda bino na gaya be bino na yo kadache kada levels go kada iwo kada do kada no kama aloka do ka governor and aloka ka bu nwa no da go no amma
anya lega the last ones let's run it around.
Let's move. Good morning once again, member of the press. My name is Comrade Abubi
Hold on for me. So hold on for me.
Clement.
Hold on for me. You want to set something. Okay. Clement.
Action. It's very important. As a legal
Okay, you can start.
to see it is very important.
Legal advisor. Legal advisor. Legal advisor. Speak in English.
In English.
Yes. Concise and remember you're legal advisor. So
You can mix it.
Yes.
No, let him don't mix it. Let it just be English.
If you are speaking English, that means you have to go to the middle. We can swap. Now. Look at the background now.
The background is
The
English.
background is not yours.
Let him just swap.
My office is
Yeah, that's true. That's
You made a good observation, sir.
that's it, sir.
No, and my office they will not bring the
Background is not.
they will just bring so
No, not your dialect. English. You are the legal advisor. Yes, purely English.
End it with language.
I prefer to use my language.
End it with language.
Okay. Good morning once again, member of the press.
we are coming.
My name is.
We are coming, sir.
You know, he's a barrister. So
So you want to don't be jail person no. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Are we set?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, member of the press. My name is Abubi Clement. I am from a local government area of Benue State. We are here this beautiful morning. First, to ask for political equality in Benue State. We want to live in a state whereby the persons who is qualified should be given a leadership position irrespective of tribe. We came out this morning to ask our brother Son A and B in Benue State to please give the Sonsi people the governor of Benue in 2023. Secondly, we want the youth of Benue State to be included in political activities of the state. We don't want to be used for political talks anymore. This group upon which I have the authority to speak this morning is not a political group, but it's a group of Benue young professionals with integrity, and we stand for fairness and justice in our society. I want to quickly as well commend the leadership of A.B. Morgan Monday for bringing that initiative of Benue Rebate Movement, where we are realizing the opportunity we have in Benue State. I want to also comment on the constituted body of Federal University of Agriculture, of Federal University of Health Sciences, Otukpo. That team that has been put in place to run that administrative of the university, it's somehow lopsided. And instead of us using that opportunity to fight ourselves, we should rather call for appeal and review of it. On that note, I want to appeal that in the subsequent administrative body of that university, other ethnic group in Benue should be considered for fairness and justice. We want to see the Benue of our dream, and this is the time for the youth to come together to seek for justice and fairness. Thank you.
Thank you very much. On this note, we have ended the whole press conference. So thank you all for coming. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have interview.
Interview with me? Okay, so one-on-one. Do you guys have questions? Any questions for us?
No, basic question.
Alright, no problem. So
We need a speech.
Huh?
We need a speech.
He's here.
Please, I'll give you something they
This
missed
speech
out.
is here. I can also send you a soft copy if you
There's
want.
something they missed out, which I wanted to
What is
be in
that?
the questions, in the interview questions. Alright. I want it to be in the interview questions. It's very, very important.
Yeah. So let's
better.
I'll get off.
Easy.
It's just for you, Papi. Let's catch you the interview.
Make them feel from up.
Yes.
Just need your consent.
Acha,
Yes.
I'm doing something that will just.
So, come on, cinema.
Okay.
See, be prepared to answer that question.
But has he?
I've
has
told
he
him, I've
shown
told him, I've told him.
Where precisely?
You know the
Okay, you're asking the question, right?
very important. He has to play that. No, but it's okay. The most important thing is that the message has been passed. See, everything that maybe I touched it here. So.